Upgraded. ASPL Roof top strobe light bar use 48 high-intensity LED chips with magnifying lens to maximize light output and ensure more effective warning to other vehicles. At the same time, upgrade the material, waterproof performance, cable length, magnet. Make the light not only bright, but also more durable. Easy to install, 2x7 strong magnets with larger thick rubber suction cups, more stable than other 2x5 magnets. Very quick to mount without hurting the roof of your vehicles, as well as adding strength on attachment. 16.4 feet heavy-duty cable and 12 to 24 V plug-and-play, long enough to install the light anywhere of the vehicle. Flash pattern. Double switch button setting, 16 patterns to choose from. You can switch on, off or select the flashing mode conveniently at the cigarette lighter plug buttons. Last used pattern recall memory function. High performance, integrated heatsink, and anti-condensation drain port, good improved the problem of water vapor condensation inside the light. Completely waterproofed, strong fog penetrability and dustproof and corrosion resistant. Lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Service. If any questions, please feel free to contact us by email. And we offer 2 years warranty. If it is defective, we will full refund to you or send new lights. Top reviews from the United States. Built to last years. One thing I did not like is after a while my little suction cup fell off, but the magnets still hold it on, and it great produces strong, bright, durable. I have had it for 2 years of regular use and it still works fine. I use it for plowing and when it's not snowing. Deliveries for my company. 10 out of 10 recommend.